In this video, we'll learn how to connect Google Drive with LongShot AI in just one click. From your LongShot AI dashboard, navigate to Integrations and then select Google Drive. Then, in the top right corner, click on Connect, followed by a click on Initiate Google Drive Authentication. It requires a Google sign-in, so let's proceed with that step. After signing in, Google Drive will be successfully connected to LongShot AI. Now, let's explore how this feature aids in importing any document from Google Drive to our LongShot AI editor. Open a new editor and then click on Import. Select Import from Google Drive. Now, choose the file you wish to import. For this demonstration, a demo file has already been created, so let's select that and click on Select. Here, as you can see, the content of the file is already imported into our editor. Thank you for watching.